Out here it's hard. There is not much that can prepare you for the struggles of the wild. Predators are always on the prowl. The bigger you are, the safer. Power and strength are everything. One minor injury could mean life or death. These birds and the other animals have mutual understandings. They get rid of some pesky bacteria and bugs. Here it helps if you can fly. A sparring match always eases the mood. The vast plains can be dry and dusty. Battle wounds tell a story of a violent and bloody past. The days here are very hot and dry, a thick haze of heat swelters just above the ground blanketed by dust clouds. The dry atmosphere is hard on the skin and just as tough on the lungs, increasing the energy needed just to breathe. The more energy output means more calorie intake needed to survive. Every meal had here is earned. There are no freebies. The shallow mud pit is cool and refreshing.